May mga tao talagang tinatanggal sa buhay natin kasi meron darating na mas better, mas okay. Naalala niyo ba yung sinabi ni Pupoy? Parang ganun yun, di ba? Naiintindihan naman kita eh. It's never easy to let go of the person who you hold dearly in your heart. Araw-araw ba naman pagising mo, yung person na yan yung pumapasok sa utak mo. Yung nagigising ka in the middle of the night kasi nga chinecheck mo, baka nag-message siya sa'yo. Kung binuon nyo na yung kwento nyong dalawa, 10 years, 20 years in advance. So when it's time for you to let go of the situation, kasi nga there's no more respect, or hindi ka talaga sadyang pinili, and nahihirapan kang tanggapin yung katotohanan kasi nga, sa heart mo, siya talaga yung tao para sa'yo. Siya yung person mo. But God works in mysterious ways. And sometimes, people just come along in order for us to learn more. Sometimes, may taong darating sa buhay natin upang malaman natin kung gaano tayo kalalim magmahal. Kung ano yung kapasidad ng puso natin. Because love is one of the most greatest thing you can ever experience in this lifetime. At hindi mo alam, baka dumating yung taong yan sa buhay mo, inallow ni God in order for you to develop yourself. And most importantly, to bring you from this point to this point of maturity. Para pag dumating na yung someone better na intended for you, then you're not going to waste that relationship anymore. Kasi nga, marami ka nang natutunan sa mga taong binigay sa'yo to give you a lesson.